This session will improve stability as well as balance and harmony both in body and mind. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's practice. Continuing with a series of practices under 20 minutes, today we're going to be doing asanas that are going to help with balance, focus and concentration. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We're going to begin by coming into a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, chin parallel. Our palms are in receiving position, resting on our thighs or knees. Now gently close your eyes. Just noticing the air moving in through our nostrils and out through our nostrils. Next time we breathe in, we're gently going to lean forward, remembering to keep our sit bones pressed into the mat, our back, our neck, our head in one straight line. Now breathe in, back to center. Breathe out completely here. Now as we breathe in, we're going to lean back. See that your legs don't lift off the mat. Press them firmly to the earth. Pull your navel in. Go as far as you can. Back to center. Now shift all your weight onto your right sit bone, leaning to the right. Back to center as you breathe in. Breathe out, lean towards your left. Remembering to maintain your back, neck and head in one line. And center. Now take another breath in. This time as you breathe out, you're letting your whole lower body get heavy onto the mat. Now swing your legs to one side. We're going to come onto our palms and knees. Marjariasana and Bitilasana, your cat and cow pose. We're going to be on our knees here for some time, so you can place a folded towel or a sheet to kind of cushion your knees. Knees beneath the hips, toes behind your knees, your wrist beneath your shoulder. As you breathe in, chin just gaze forward. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Drop your chin in the direction of your chest, your gaze at your knees, your belly. We're going to do this 2 more rounds here. And exhale. Last one. And back. This time, I'm going to reach my left hand forward, arms in line with your ears. Don't drop your chin to your chest here. Forward. And now gently shifting your weight onto your left. Kick the right leg out. Heels in line with your hip. See if you can keep your hips at the same level. Breathe in and out. 3. Pull your navel in. 2. And 1. If you come off the pose, just go back. And this time we're going to reach our right arm forward, shift the weight onto our right knee, kick the left leg back, heels in line with your hip. There's a tendency for us to kind of shift all our weight and tilt. Try and see if you can keep your hips at the same level. 2. Breathe in and out. And 1. Drop your hands down. From here, we're going to go into Parighasana or gate pose. So I'm going to turn. We're going to stretch our right leg out. See that our left hip is directly over the left knee. Reach both our arms up towards the ceiling. Bring our right hand on to our right leg, thigh, but don't put any pressure on the knee here. Reach your fingers towards the right side of the room. Breathing in. As you breathe in, nice expansion in your ribs on the left side. As you exhale, trying to reach your fingertips more towards your ankle. One more breath here. Inhale, come up, reach both your hands up. Now exhale, drop your left hand onto the floor. We're going to bring our wrist directly beneath our shoulder. Reach the right hand, a counter stretch towards the left side of the room. And here, if you can, gently bring that leg up, pointing your toes away or forward. 2. Breathe in and out. You're going to feel this even in the outside of your left thigh. Drop it down. Inhale, come up. If that's too much, you can just let your legs stay there. Just hover over the mat. Drop. We're going to change legs. Come back. Open your knees nice and wide. Sit back and rest. Breathing in. And breathing out. In your Shashankasana. We're going to change to the other side. I should just place this like this. Here, this time, we're going to stretch the left leg out. Reach both our hands up towards the ceiling and drop into your gate pose. Parighasana. Reach and stretch. One side may feel different. See that you're not turning and looking. Your gaze is forward. Breathing in, nice expansion, right chest, rib cage actually, relax, reach the left hand towards your ankle. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up, exhale, the other side. Drop your hands down, wrist directly beneath your shoulder. Stay here. If you can, just hover. If you want more intensity, reach up. 3, 2, and 1. Knees nice and wide. Sit back and stretch. Rather, rest in Shashankasana. Breathing in, breathing out. And 1. You don't need this now. And from here, we're going to come on to our palms and our feet, bending your right leg, straighten left. Just moving a couple of times, noticing how your legs feel. Now walk your feet towards your palms, trying to keep your legs, you can be here or here depending on, or you can be still away. Anything is fine. Just remember to keep your knees not locked but soft, and the back of our legs, feeling the stretch in the back of our legs. If you're here, now shifting your weight onto your fingertips without your heel lifting off. Back to center. Again, 2. And if your hands are somewhere up here, you can always place eyes open. 2 and 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Reach your hands up. Bring your right leg all the way up, knees in line with your hip, the sole of your feet towards the mat. Tadasana. Keep looking at a point, either on the wall or at the floor. You can just stay in this pose. If you want to take it further, kick your legs back, lean forward, Tula dandasana, breathing in and breathing out. Drop your hands to the earth. Bend your right knee. If this is too much, you can always drop your feet at any point. You can always do that. Shake your legs out. Again, foot off the mat. Inhale, come up. If you lose balance, it's totally fine. Bring your right leg on your left thigh. Hands come into prayer. Namaskara Mudra. Tada, kapotasana, your standing pigeon. See if you can bend. Stay here, breathing in and breathing out. Release your leg. Shake your legs out. Now we're moving to the other leg. As we breathe in, press into the right foot. Left leg off the mat, knees in line with the hip crease, hands up towards the ceiling. You're going to stay here for 2 or 3 breaths in and out. Now bring your knee to point towards the mat and lean forward as you bring your left heel in line with your hip. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hands down. Drop your feet. Shake your legs out. From here, again, you can get your knees, your foot off the mat. Inhale, come up. Bring your left leg to rest, your ankle actually, to rest on your right thigh. Hands in prayer. Go down into your Tada kapotasana. Breathing in, breathing out. And 1. Release your leg. Hands come forward. Bend your right knee, left knee. Now come down to sitting on your knees, big toes to touch. Knees are nice and wide. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. You're going to stay here and chant 1 round of Om. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, Om. Stay here as long as you want to, letting your breath come back into a comfortable rhythm. Noticing all the different sensations in our body and in our mind. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. Namaste.